Thank you for choosing Lone Star Credit Union. As an LSCU member, you have access to remote deposit, a convenient feature of every checking and savings account. What is remote deposit? Remote deposit allows you to deposit checks anywhere you have a mobile device and internet access. You can save time and money by skipping a trip to the credit union to deposit your checks. To get started, log into the LSCU app and choose the red plus sign at the bottom. When the menu opens, choose Remote Deposit from the choices and tap Deposit Check at the bottom of the screen. Then choose the account you wish to deposit your check into. The first time you use Remote Deposit, you'll see the deposit guidelines. Make sure to read and check off the guidelines. If you don't want to see these reminders again, tap Don't Show It Again, then tap Continue. Your camera will now open. Make sure to take a clear photo of your check using a dark background. Once you take the photo, the next screen will show you what is required on the back of your check. Check off these guidelines and then tap Don't Show It Again if you don't want to see these reminders again. Then tap Continue. You can then take a photo of the back of your check. Next, confirm that the images, account, and amount are all correct and tap Confirm. Keep your check in a safe location for 6 months and then shred it. When will your money be available? Deposits made before 5 p.m. Central on a business day will generally be available that same business day. Deposits made after 5 p.m. on a non-business day or on a holiday are considered submitted the next business day and will be processed within 1 business day after that date. If you make a remote deposit on Friday before 5 p.m., the deposit will generally be available that same business day. If you make a remote deposit on Friday after 5 p.m., the deposit will generally be available the next business day. For more information, visit our website at lonestarcu.org/mobile to view our digital banking guide.